Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to give access to a file or folder in Google Drive. This is useful when you want someone else to view, comment, or edit a document. Let's begin. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account. Now, look through your Drive and find the file or folder you want to share. This could be a document, PDF, video, photo, or even a whole folder. Right-click on the file or folder. A menu will pop up. Now click Share. A window will appear where you can control who can access it. At the top, you will see a box that says Add People or Groups. Type in the email address of the person you want to give access to. It could be Gmail or any email they use. Next to their email, you will see a drop-down that shows different levels of access. You can choose between viewer, commenter, or editor. If you choose viewer, they can only read or watch the file. If you choose commenter, they can leave comments, but cannot edit the main content. And if you choose editor, they can open the file, make changes, and fully edit everything inside. After selecting the permission level, you can also type a small message if you want, then click Send. Google Drive will now send an email invitation to that person, and once they click the link, they will have access based on the permission you set. You also have another option. At the bottom of the Share window, you'll see General Access. If you change this to Anyone with the link, it means anyone who has the link can open it. Then you can choose if they can view, comment, or edit. This is useful when you don't want to enter individual emails one by one. So that's it to give access. Right-click your file, click Share, add the email, choose Permission, and Send. Or switch to Anyone with the link if you want open access. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notification for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one.